Hi. So in this video, we're going to go through a SEO pipeline that we have been creating for FlowHunt, which contains the scenario where we are creating a new web page, either manual or it's AI generated. And there's a whole review process of SEO review processing from the start, where the whole HTML of the web page is fed to the flow, which is a crew of AI, so multiple agents together. They will do an SEO review on the web page, and they will report it in Google Docs and give a Slack message that, okay, this is the review that's done. It's been done. Do you want us to go forward and index the data and publish the original content or update the content further? So this is what we're going to go through, the whole SEO pipeline after creating a web page automated. So here the first step is to go ahead in FlowHunt and connect your tech stack as an MCP server. So for the ones who don't know what is MCP server, it's just a way that AI agents would be able to connect to an outside world. And here I have data for SEO MCP server and Google search. So essentially I just created a SEO MCP server which connects to our own Google Search Console. So you can also connect it to your own Google Search Console, as well as connecting into an SEO API, which is able to get SEO insights, keywords, and backlinks, and so on. So this is an MCP server which you can connect to any other MCP client platforms or AI agent platforms that support MCP client. And I just copied this and added this as different tools, MCP client tools in here. So let me show you how the flow works. So a part of the workflow so this is the review process. A part of the review process is just general SEO checks, which you can see the prompt that it checks for on-page element verifications, meta description, image optimization checks to see if the file name is correct, if there's alt tags for all your images, and first 100 words. So you can see this as a template also in our Flow library, so feel free to check it out. And then the second AI agent actually goes a little bit deeper in your Google Search Console. So it goes through your Google Search Console. It tries to find out what is the URL that you're trying to update or add, what are the keywords that it's trying to ranking to, and what kind of improvements can be done on the existing or the new blog post to actually make it rank higher, to reach more impression and CTR. So this is the prompt that we're using to get that going. So really this AI agent has access to all your Google Search Console. And then the third AI agent actually does a cannibalization check. So that means it checks if any other web page of your domain is actually ranking for the same keyword, and it warns you on that. So overall, these three sections create a review, and then it goes through Google Docs, and it sends an automated Slack message to the team. So I can show you also the Slack message that will show up. And yeah, so this is like a Slack message that FlowHunt gives back to our SEO team to go on review. And there's a human in the loop involved. So if I say, okay, looks good, let's move on, then it actually moves on, and in another part of the flow, which I will show it here, it gets the message that I write in, so my feedback, and there's another AI agent that actually gets the feedback, has the data of the review, and again it has access to all those SEO tools, so that it can index the web page and finally and also it can do the review process that we went through again. So that's also possible to do. Now I can show you like a sample review that I did before. So this is the HTML of the web page, which goes to the input of the flow, and you can see the AI agent going through all these steps. So it first tries to find out our Google Search Console. Now it does an analytics. So this is the web page of the URL that I just gave it to, and now it's going through the impressions, the position, and it goes through a thinking process of, okay, so what is the max crawl pages, and what is the status code, what are the keywords that this web page is actually trying to rank for, and as you can see, it goes through different analysis, and at the end it comes up with this review, which does the general SEO check, and as well as Google Search Console check. So let's actually see it. So this is the Google Search Console check, which pinpoints what are the CTR and clicks, what are the problems, why is the average position low, and what are the improvement, as well as cannibalization. So yeah, basically you have like a reviewer automated all the way. So feel free to check this flow out. This is in Flow library already, and yeah, connect it to your own MCPs, and you can try the same thing in Claude.